Honorable Chairman of the Commission, Honorable National Party, and his team, the technical aids of the Honorable Chairman between the Commission meeting. May I request that will be on our
opportunity to interact with you. I believe this is one of its kind, or maybe the first time. Normally when we have issues, the party always comes and interacts with INEC, but today you've given us the opportunity with our leaders from various organs of the party to be here. I think I will not stop but to thank you sincerely for this opportunity. We're here today, as you are aware, we have issues pertaining the status of our National Secretary. We've gone into litigation, I think, from the beginning of last year until when the Supreme Court, make a pronouncement of which INEC of the party. We're here today to discuss and interact with you sincerely because we had INEC and there was a decision of INEC which mandated me to sign a letter to avoid controversy. And I received your reply on that letter urging us to be guided by certain rules. So I think we are here to interact sincerely with you off camera so that it will guide us when we get back to have a position that will further, help in taking these positions that we found ourselves. I think I will stop here so that when the press leaves, we can discuss, and most of my members that are here will also help in bringing out the position that we felt we should combat together. So I will not talk much. I will stop here. This should be like the opening remarks why we are here. Thank you very much.
Let me, on behalf of the Commission, welcome the Acting National Chairman and other stakeholders to the Independent National Electoral Commission. This meeting is at the instance of the party. They requested to interact with us, and our doors are always open to meet with leaders of political parties in our capacity as the registrar and regulator of political parties in Nigeria. You may recall that not long ago, we received similar visitors from the Labour Party. So when the PDP said it was going to visit, we welcome them. The acting national chairman has stated the purpose of the meeting to discuss the status of the party's national secretary, particularly regarding the letter we sent to the party on the request for us to monitor their 100th NEC meeting, which was only signed by the chairman and not the chairman and secretary as provided in our regulations and guidelines. I'm glad that that meeting was the 100th meeting of the NEC of the party, meaning that 99 times in the past, you fully complied by inviting us by means of a letter signed by chairman and secretary of the party. So there are issues to discuss, and we look forward to this important clarification from the party as to who is the secretary. In the last couple of months, we received letters from the party saying that one Mr. Ude Okoye was the secretary. Thereafter, the party changed its mind and said it was Senator Anyao. Thereafter, the party changed its mind to say that it's Mr. Shokwedo. And again, the party changed its mind to say it's Anyao. And the last letter from the party actually has no secretary at all. It was only signed by the chairman, which we responded to. But we are here as the registrar and regulators of political parties. And we hope when we go into the working session, we will fully understand where you are coming from and what more you expect from us as the registrar and regulator of political parties. So on behalf of the Commission, I welcome you to this meeting. Thank you very much.
Fruitful discussion. Politics, is dynamic and pragmatic as well. So we'll go back and meet our larger stakeholders and disseminate all the discussion that has taken place today, and we'll come up with a position immediately. Thank you, and God bless. You will hear from us.
I will decline permission of the Honorable Chairman of the Committee, Mrs. Chinwe Noro, the National Youth PDP team. The Commission, Professor Mgbeke, is supported by, sitting beside him, is Mr. Chairman Election and Party Monitoring Committee, INEC. Is Mrs. May Agbamuche, the Honorable National Commissioner, Rhoda Gumus, Honorable National Commissioner, and beside Professor Aja, Commissioner, and beside him is Professor Abdul, Honorable National Commissioner, and behind Professor Ajay, beside him is Dr. Bababila, Commissioner, and beside him is Honorable Sani M. Adams, SAN, Honorable Amin Malero. Beside the acting secretary is Mr. Rosimolade Enia, the chief technical advisor, and there are directors in our publicity of the PDP should distribute.
Thank you very much, His Excellency Bala Abdul Kadir Mohammed Sloan, Comrade Adonor. We have in our main excellency Dr. Bukola Saraki. To the President, High Chief Ben Ndi Obisioi,
and requests that they take their leave